Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are testing out a new foundation. I've heard raving reviews about them on like everyone's Sephora haul or suggestions from the Sephora sale. So I got it on the Sephora scale, and this is Sephora Collection's Best Skin Ever. And we're gonna test it out and see if this is gonna give me the best skin ever. And this is in the shade 44Y. I did order this online and I ordered like 35 in or something like that. Way too light. Like as soon as I opened it, I was like, no. And this one looks a little bit, I guess it looks my skin tone, but online, I thought I'd choose the right shade and I didn't. So I went back and exchanged it and it was like hassle-free. They took it back, gave me the shade that fit. So yeah. So I'm gonna apply it with a brush first, just so y'all can see the color. And so I just did one pump on my little brush, and this is definitely a better color, a little bit darker, but any shade lighter would have been too light. And you know, it's summertime, so I ain't been outside yet, but we about to be outside, and when we outside, we can get a little bit more tan. So this color would be perfect on my forehead. As you see, I always do like a darker color on my forehead. So now I'm gonna blend this out with my usual brush, the NYX brush. And this is only 2 pumps of foundation. You probably could get away with 1 because this is a lot of product. And I think it retails for $20. So see, it's darker than the neck. So like this is a little bit darker, but like I said, any shade lighter looked like it might have been too light or the wrong undertone. So we gonna balance it out with some concealer. Yeah, y'all see this is definitely summer shade. Still might not be, there might be a better shade. Maybe I'll go back and try a lighter one. But I always rather go dark than light. It definitely blends out like butter. And I'm just taking the excess and putting it on my nose. And we're gonna do the forehead. I'll blend it out a little bit more with my Morphe sponge. I really like this sponge because I feel like it doesn't pick up too much of the product and it blends it out very nicely. And as you can see, so far, I'm digging it. I feel like it does look like my skin, but better. Again, a little bit darker than my neck. But we're gonna see how this pans out once we add concealer and everything, because we have not concealed or anything. But so far, I mean, it's blurring, it's giving coverage. I would say this is medium, but when you're going for, I mean, it says best skin ever, you want it to look more skin-like than, you know, that early 2000s, 2010s full coverage cake face. So I think this is giving full coverage, but still a natural vibe. So I'm gonna conceal. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. I've had this for so long, y'all. But this is the Bright Fix Concealer in the shade Almond Butter. And I'm still gonna need to add something a little bit lighter. But y'all, this concealer, I love it. So we're gonna put that under the eye. I was gonna contour my forehead, but since the shade is like darker, instead of contouring, I'm gonna reverse contour. I'm actually gonna use a different concealer for that. I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty concealer to just do a slight reverse contour, just because the shade is, the foundation is a little bit darker. So we're gonna do that. Just a pinch on the nose and chin. A little on the forehead, not crazy. So I'm gonna blend that out. And that's gonna help lighten up towards the jawline and almost look like you did a little contour there. I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything else out. Gonna go ahead and blend the nose. Alright, I'm gonna do a little contour on my nose with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade Cocoa. Kind of narrow down that nose a little bit. Add a little bit more definition back to it. Before I blend out the concealer, I'm gonna add a little bit of my Rare Beauty blush. I wore this look yesterday, but with a different foundation. And it looked really good, so we're gonna try it. We're putting the blush higher up on the cheeks. Gonna try out the new trends. This is supposed to lift your face more than just putting it on the apples. Like so, like that. Lifted. I will do a short wear test because I'm going out in the elements today. So I'll check in on my phone and let y'all know what it looks like. A little of the Bright Fix goes a long way. Come on, somebody. That looks gorgeous. That looks flawless. We could probably put a little bit more blush if we wanted to, but I think this, what is it giving? It's giving best skin ever. Now I'm gonna set with my tried and true Laura Mercier. This is a brand new one. You know when you shake it and all that powder come out, it's brand new. Using a powder puff to set. To make sure my under eye is set really nicely. I'm gonna bake just a little bit down here because like I said, we're trying to lighten the foundation up just a little bit because it's a little bit darker. It's giving summer shade and my skin is giving winter. And then usually after I do that, I just take the whole thing and just pat all over my face to kind of blend stuff together. I just feel like my makeup been coming out better when I've been doing that, so I do that. And then one of my last steps is taking, before we do setting spray, I take just a fluffy brush in my L'Oreal Infallible powder foundation, swirl just a little, and dust off all that powder. It's giving flawless. People always ask me why I use a pressed powder to dust off loose powder, and I just feel like it helps blend everything together. It's your skin tone shade, so it's just like, it's giving. I'm taking my Flower Beauty setting spray. Love the mist of this. It's a luminizing spray. And then after that, kind of do what it do. I press it so we don't have no water droplets. And then we're gonna do a little lip situation. Not nothing too crazy. My go-to combo lately has been this Make a Revolution pencil, Satin Kiss lip liner in TGIF. I need to sharpen it. Like that. And then I take my Kylie lip plumping gloss in on neutral and put that in the middle. Get a little plumping action, a little pouty action, and that's it. So what is it giving for y'all? Is it giving best skin ever? I think it's giving best skin ever. I really do. There you go. I went over. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. I feel like it looked real good. Let me back y'all out soon. I feel like it looked real good. Is it giving? I'm gonna insert the wear test right here. Okay, so it is like 5:30. I've had this on for like 4 hours. I think it looks good. What y'all think? I can't see because I'm filming on my back iPhone camera, but the last I looked at it, it looked like the best skin ever. Alright, so y'all heard my final thoughts as far as the wear test. As far as initial application, I think it went smooth on like butter. I think my face looked really good. Like, we outside. But no, I think this is really good. Sephora, sponsor your girl. Sephora collection. If y'all want to see me do a full face Sephora collection, y'all let me know, because I've been wanting to do that for the longest. But I just need to save up my coin to do it, because although it's a Sephora collection, it ain't drugstore. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want to see a full face Sephora collection. I feel like that would be fire. But yeah, y'all, this is the look. My skin looks like the best skin ever, and that's on her. If my skin for real was like this, I'd be so hyped. But I mean, she's still cute. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe. I got some exciting stuff coming to you. So if you're not on our email list, make sure you join the email list. You can go to slimreshae.com to join the email list. And that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review style video. Leave in the comments what you want me to try out next, what you want me to do a wear test on. Maybe I should start a wear test series. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I say that a million times all the time because I want to make sure I'm making content that's enjoyable for you. So yeah, I love y'all so very much. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae, natural.